Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RF Design Basics. In this video, I am going to discuss about singularity function. So basically there are three types of singularity function. First is called unit step function. Second one is called unit impulse function. And third one is called ramp function. So I will be discussing all these one by one. So unit step function will be represented by ut. Unit impulse function will be represented by delta t, and ramp function is represented by rt. So let's see what is ut. The value of ut is equal to 0 if t less than 0, and the value will be 1 if t greater than 0. So the unit step function is defined as 0 value for t less than 0 and 1 value for t greater than 0. So if I want to plot unit step function as a function of time, it will be something like this. So this red color means this is t less than 0 and this side is t greater than 0 and the value is 1. Similarly, the unit impulse function is defined as impulse at t equal to 0. So there is just one impulse at t equal to 0, means this function, this del t equal to infinity at t equal to 0. So the value of this function is infinity, that's why I am showing this as arrow. And for t less than 0, the function is 0. So it is 0 for t less than 0 and also 0 for t greater than 0. So this function is unit impulse function. And then we have ramp function, which we can represent as a ramp. So it will be something like ramp. So here this ramp function is rt t. So what you can see, this rt will be rt equal to t for t greater than 0. So for t less than 0 it will be something like this. So there will be a ramp. So t less than 0, it is 0. So it's a ramp function. Okay. So all these functions are 0 for t less than 0. Now if I want to shift this or increase the magnitude, so if the magnitude is, let's say, a for this step, then the function will become ft equal to a into ut. So this means this is a at t equal to 0. So this function is actually ft. So what you have to do, if there is more magnitude, you just multiply with that. If we have some other time, so let's see that if we have some other time, let's say t equal to t1, and we are plotting this unit step function something like this, and this is t equal to t1. In that case, this is ft and let's say this is a. So how we can write this function? This will be a is the magnitude, then u, and what is the time? T equal to t1. So we can write t minus t1. So this is our function ft equal to magnitude of this and u t minus t1. That means if t is less than t1, u t minus t1 is 0. That is what? T is less than t1, it is 0. And for t greater than t1, you have u t minus t1 equal to a. So a multiplied by 1. This will be equal to 1. So 1 multiplied by a, you get the function as a. So this is the value a. So now we'll see some of the questions in which we have to find out the combination of different singularity function. For example, I'll take first example as this. We have the graph which is in this form. Okay, so this is ending here, this is 2, and this value is 6, this is 4, and this is given as 2, and this is 4. I want to write this particular function in form of singularity function. What we have to do is we have to divide this among various parts. So first part will be, here 2 is the point, below that everything is 0. So first thing we have to do is we have to take a step function which is like this, that means at t equal to 2. So because of this you get this value which is equal to 2. Now this will continue until 4, t equal to 4. After that what we want? We want that magnitude to increase by 2 again. So what we can do? We can take another function which will start at t equal to 4. So this function will start at t equal to 4 and the magnitude should be added by 2. So I can add the magnitude by 2. So this function is nothing but u at t equal to 2. So t minus 2. This is one function. Now I want to increase this value. So I have to add 2 further. And what is the magnitude? 2. So this is the function given by 2 into u t minus 2. So this is unit step function which starts at 2 with the magnitude 2. Now here already we have 2. So if I add 2 further, that means if I take 2 u t minus 4. So this will become, magnitude will be 2 u t minus 4. At t equal to 4, this magnitude is already 2 and this magnitude at t equal to 4 will be also 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Now this will continue until t equal to 6. So finally we have to take here at t equal to 6, what need to be subtracted? Anything with the magnitude 4. So now if I take minus 4 magnitude which will start from 6. So it will start from here, initially 0, then it will start here, and what is the magnitude? Minus 4. If I have minus 4, that will be get added here, and current value of magnitude is 4. If I add minus 4, it will become 0. So this value is actually minus 4 u t minus 6. So you have 3 components. If we add them together, we get the entire function ft in form of singularity function. So first function is 2u t minus 2 plus 2u t minus 4, then minus 4u t minus 6. So this will be our complete function. We'll be doing more examples in upcoming video. Thank you.